In today's video, I'll show you how to deploy a website using Cloudflare Pages and make your project available online with a simple setup process. If you're new to website deployment, Cloudflare Pages allows you to publish websites directly from your project files or a connected code repository without managing a traditional server. First, sign into your Cloudflare account and open the dashboard. From the menu, go to the Workers and Pages section. Next, open the Pages tab and select the option to create a new project. Now choose how you want to deploy your website. You can connect a repository from a supported platform or upload your website files directly. If you connect a repository, select the project you want to deploy and continue with the setup process. Next, configure your build settings. Choose the framework your website uses and enter the required build command and output directory if your project needs them. For a simple HTML, CSS, and JavaScript website, you can usually upload the files directly without any complicated configuration. After reviewing the settings, start the deployment. Cloudflare will process your files, build the project if needed, and publish your website. Once the deployment is complete, Cloudflare will provide a temporary website address. Open it in your browser to check that everything is working correctly. If you want to use your own domain, go to the Custom Domain Settings section and connect your domain by following the provided instructions. After connecting your domain, future updates can be deployed easily by updating your project and creating a new deployment. And that's how you deploy a website using Cloudflare Pages. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.